Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring your Apple ID is set to the United Kingdom and your iPhone is updated. Once done, open Wallet and tap the plus symbol to add a card. Use the camera to capture card details or choose your bank's app to push the card directly. Make sure you complete issuer verification via SMS or bank app. This step links your account to Apple Pay, and it's required so that contactless payments and passes can be tokenized securely. Next, add transport and pass items that you'll use daily. Import an Oyster or other contactless travel card and set it as your express transit card for transport for London. This lets you tap without authentication. Then save boarding passes, event tickets, and loyalty cards from emails or supported apps so Wallet holds everything in one place. Make sure to set a default payment card and reorder your cards for the fastest access. This saves time and reduces errors at terminals. To complete transactions, double-click the side or home button for Apple Pay, authenticate when prompted, then hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the reader. With Express Transit, you don't have to authenticate. Make sure Find My iPhone is on and remove cards immediately if you sign out or lose the device, because tokens can be remotely suspended. If a payment is declined, remove and re-add the card, or contact your bank to reauthorize the token. That single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.